This remote has two features: manual operation and thermostat operation. When the remote screen is blank, this is known as sleep mode. Press left button to wake remote and unlock. Once the remote is unlocked, press the left button again for on and the middle button for OK. A beep from the control unit would be heard and the ignition process starts. Press the middle manual button to adjust the height of the flame. There are three settings: high, medium, and low. Use the left button to decrease the flame height. The middle button will increase the flame height. Once you have reached the desired flame height, press the right button to go to the main screen. To activate thermostat operation, press the left button. Your desired temperature setting will display on the screen. To decrease the desired temperature, press the left button. To increase the desired temperature, press the middle button. Press the right button to go to the main screen. You may press the bottom button at any time to turn the system off.